For a lot of what some people might find for questions, I didn't have for questions because it was answered before the question even arose. The information was there already. So one of the guys in particular, he came out and put in this main window, and one of the panes was slightly askewed, and he made the guys, they all ganged together and they took it out and straightened it out. And he was very particular about quality and the finish and the details, the fine details, and it was good to see. Don't have that cold air drafting from the back windows into the house right now, so far it's made a huge difference. We sit down in the evening and they're after dinner and watch TV, and the house is quiet, and it feels more like home now. Thank you to Eli and the whole team. It was a great job. I was very satisfied with the whole process from start to finish.